cutting, boys. No, you're just sharing with Zach. Zach? Yeah, that's your Play-Doh. Zach, can you give the Play-Doh back? Good work. That's good squishing, Dante. You're making a turtle? Oh, I don't know if I can make a turtle. That's a funny looking hat, Zach. Oh. Uh-oh.